I've been missing the way you touch me, baby. Kisses on my neck and the love you gave me. When I think about it, I go a little bit crazy. It's gotta be more than this for you and I to coexist. Help me, I wanna be more than just a friend. I'm looking for closure.
Thanks for joining me. If you would like to learn how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. What's up, y'all? I'm back. As you can see, I'm still wearing the same clothes because I'm on a roll today. You don't need to slow down now. I'm going to do a completely different summer-inspired, spring-summer-inspired makeup look. So, let's jump right in. I'm going to be using this Profusion Confidence palette. This is the only one I'm using. So we're going to create a look from just this palette right here. The first color that I'm going to pick up is going to be this color right here in the corner, yellow, and it is called Serendipity. I'm going to dip my brush in here and use this as my transition color.
Honestly, I shouldn't. Caught up in my feelings, messed up and I'm sprung. Something in your
Looking good so far. Right here, it's called Secure. I'm gonna put that in my crease.
swimming pool is closed and I'm in the deep end. The waves are washing over. I know I'm not sober. Can I come closer? I wanna come over. When you leave me like that, girl, don't do me like that. Ooh, when I think about that, I'll be coming right back on.
Who got $50 to spend on one palette? Not I. So I won't be doing that. Very nice. Moving right along. Don't mind me. My viewfinder is over there, so I keep making sure I'm in focus. This brush right here, it is a Morphe M321 brush. I'm going to use it for my crease area, and I'm going to go in with a slightly darker color. I'm going to go with this one right here. And the name of that is Madly. It's like a deep, dark burgundy color. Almost like bricky burgundy. Something like that. I'm going to take that and I'm going to put it in my crease. Just make it a little bit darker.
Your favorite lover, just hit me up. I'm coming over. You know what's up. When you leave me like that, your favorite lover do me like that. Ooh, just hit me when I think about that. I'll be coming right back on. You know what's up?
Beautiful. What do you guys think? You like? Okay. I'm going to pick up this brush that I used earlier. And I'm going to take that yellow color that we started out with. And I'm just going to go back over and just bring out this yellow at the top.
Hit me up. Oh, I'm coming over. Whoa.
Oh, I think I love it. I like this color in here. It's called Sunny. This one at the bottom right here. A little glitter won't hurt nobody. It won't hurt nobody. I'm going to use this color right here. It's called Sunny. And I'm gonna put that all over my lids.
What's up, no, what's up, no, what's up? Your favorite lie, don't do me like that, no. Just hit me up, oh, I'm coming over.
Gotta watch this camera because it likes to turn off on me after about 30 minutes. Turn right on off. Yes, giving me life. Love this color. I like the way this is looking. I really do. How y'all like this? You like? I certainly do. Okay, moving on. Okay, it's time to do my face. So I'm going to grab my Black Radiance True Complexion Shine Control Primer. I'm going to prime my face before I put on my foundation. So I'm going to finish my eyes. I'm going to do my, darn, what is it even called? I've been doing this a long time, all day long. Anyway, I'm going to do my, what do you call this darn stuff? It'll come to me in a minute when I think about it. Eyeliner. I'm going to do my eyeliner off camera and then I'm going to come back and we're going to continue with the face. Now, I'm going to get my highlighter. This is for Makeup Revolution. It has some really pretty highlighter colors in it, as you can see. Okay.
It's not that I don't care. Need to shut down to keep you out of my mind. It's strange to be here alone. Yeah.
Moving on to the lips. I'm just going to take a brown lip liner pencil. I'm going to go around my lips with that.
I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done, I won't come back. I have dreams about us.
It's alright. Now I got this lipstick. It is from Colorpop. This nice little gold packaging. As you can see, it's real pretty. It's got little stars on it. If you can see it, I don't know if you can. But, anyways, this color right here is what I'll be using for my lips. And the name of it is called Brick Cream. So this is my lipstick of choice.
All the time, it's never over till it's over, over. There is no us no more, no.
So I am 100% finished. So this is my finished look. So if you like this look, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And as always, thank you for joining me. It's been a pleasure. Bye.